Hi guys, and welcome to the first Christmas vlog of 2025. It's currently the 19th of November as I'm filming these, and I feel like some may say it's too early to go Christmas shop, but we're gonna do it anyway. You know the drill. We're gonna head over to Wood Green and we're gonna check out Primark, Maxx, BnM. They were pretty stoked up on the Christmas decor last time I went, but I decided not to spoil myself and you guys anything. Today nail polish is Brick or Treat by Essence, and I really feel like it's giving.
Can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven and
oh my god, how cute is this little guy. We made it to the home decor section. Oh my god guys, how cute are these ones with a little bow. Primark was pretty much a fail. I literally could not find anything. Everything was super like picked over, but so far we're having good luck at BnM.
your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder.
It's a good while later we made it back home and I started to bake my banana bread straight away, and oh my god you guys, I think it turned out amazing. I'm still yet to try it, but it looks super good. If you know, you know. Every single time I've been trying to cook banana bread, something went wrong, and I feel like this time nothing did, except for the fact that I got way too much butter, and so I think I'm gonna make 2 loaves. But hey, I'm not complaining. I thought I'd take a break before baking my second batch of banana bread though, and show you guys a few bits that I got. Starting with the Primark, I got 2 of these teddy bear sweater, one for me, one for my boyfriend. I think these are so cute. These clear nail polish from Essence, and this cute sage one from Essence as well. Moving to BnM, they definitely went full out for Christmas. I didn't really get any Christmas decor because I have some from last year already, and I need to figure out what I want to do tree wise before buying anything else, but I did get a few fun things regardless. Starting with these toasted marshmallow white hot chocolate flavor mix, and these cute little mug huggies. These are both from the range pumpkin season, and you guys saw me going to BnM during like peak fall time. I did not see those, and that's why I decided to get them regardless. I then got these little Bailey's chocolate thingy for my boyfriend's stocking. These mini gingerbreads, they didn't have the ones that I usually go for, so I decided to give this one a go. Talking about Christmassy activities, how cute is a little kit to decorate your own gingerbread girl and gingerbread boy? I genuinely thought these were adorable. Next up, of course, I had to get a little advent calendar. I love these things. I forgot to bring them here to show you guys, but I did get the stockings with the bow and the initials. I'm literally obsessed with them. So here you have it. This is everything that I got so far. I'm still yet to buy some Christmas cracker. I need to find a Christmas card for my boyfriend, and I also need to buy 2 more gifts for him, but I pretty much have them picked up already, so that's great. All this talking though, look, made me hungry, so let me go and try my banana bread. Oh my god, look at that. Welcome back to the vlog. It's definitely been a hot minute since I last spoke with you guys, but we're back today. I'm currently rocking my sweat set because we're gonna head over to Hammersmith. I'm gonna go to Ikea. I already pre-ordered our Christmas tree, so I need to go and pick it up, and I thought I'd bring you guys along. I mentioned at the beginning of this vlog that I wasn't sure what we were gonna do Christmas tree wise, and I've since then done a bit of browsing and I came across this Christmas tree from Ikea. It's 150 centimeters, so it's not too tall, and I did go and see it in person. I think it's looking gonna be perfect for the space. Let's go get it. Now I'm indeed ready for Ikea. Cheers! They have a lot of Christmas PJ. I think this one is super cute. Guys, I'm really torn between these 2. Oh my god, how adorable are these plates. This smells amazing. So I decided to quickly stop at a deli because it's never a good idea to shop while you're hungry. Now we're gonna have a browse at Ikea. I mean, straight up, how cute is this section? Obsessed. Here we are. I'm pretty sure this one right here is the Christmas tree that I got. I have to say these ones are adorable. I was worried it was gonna be too big to carry, but I think I'll be fine. I mean, this is not too bad, right? And I did get it for £19. Oh my god, these glass ones are adorable. And we made it to the home section and I'm low-key obsessed with these plates. I mean, one day when we buy our own house, for sure I'm getting these. I also decided I am gonna get a Lazy Susan. I might stain it to darker wood though. Do I need this? No, but I think I'm gonna get it. Do you wanna see how it looks in a space, and if I don't like it, I can return it? I really need to get out of this department, otherwise I want to get every single thing, but how cute. How cool is that wall? Also, this plant stand, adorable. I think I got everything. Let's go check out. Here it is. Okay, we're all packed and ready to go home. It's a good while later, we made it back home. The first thing I did was opening up a can of Coke and like chill on the couch for about an hour. I was lucky, super hot and overwhelmed, and although I'm a big fan of my little Primark trolley thingy that I got, and that probably low-key saved my life today, I had a lot of things to carry, so I just wish I had this scrunchie with me the whole time. But anyway, it's all good now. I definitely took advantage of this couch time to do my nails. I didn't do anything special, I just put some like clear nail polish on. Actually got some new ones from Essence, so let me show you guys. Starting off with this nail oil. I then also got this cuticle remover, which low-key works, and then this cute little shade called Mocha Day. I feel like I've low-key been either talking about these nail polishes or showing you guys a new one in every single video, but I'm truly obsessed with them, and you can find them in Primark. Talking about Primark, winter is approaching, and so I got quite a few thermals. I got a black and a mocha bodysuit and this classic white one. I did wanted to get the bodysuit version of the white one as well, but I could not find it anywhere, so normal one it is. I then got this very cute paper. I ended up asking my boyfriend which one he liked better, and he said Cars, so Cars it is. And then lastly from Primark I also got this teddy bear candle. Oh my god, this smells incredible. The scent is vanilla cookie, and I feel like we all need this in our lives. Also, I think it's adorable. I'm looking gonna use it as a Christmas mug once the candle finishes. I mean, hear me out. I was so sad that the barista cup was not available in the UK, but I think this one is just as adorable. I got quite a few bits for my boyfriend's stocking, but I think I'm gonna show that to you guys in the next vlog, where we're probably gonna be assembling the stocking and like wrapping all the gifts. So I'm gonna quickly move on to Superdrug. I'm gonna do a speed haul, and then I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got from Ikea. Very basic, but this is my favorite toothpaste. I then also got this passion fruit deodorant, this gel base and top coat, this semi-permanent hair dye from Bleach London. I'm probably gonna do a separate video testing this out. And then lastly, for Black Friday, the face mask were 2 for 1, so I got these two. On to Ikea. I'm gonna start with the boring stuff. I got this dish drying mat to put under our dish rack. I then got this Lazy Susan, this tissue holder. I mean, did I need it? No, but I thought it was super cute. I wanted to give it a go. I then got these Christmas lights, this Christmas tree, which yes, we're gonna unbox and set up together in this vlog, but we're not gonna do it today because I'm low-key exhausted. And then lastly, I got 2 of these eucalyptus wreath, and I have a whole idea for them, so we'll see if it works out. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy my Caesar salad and chill for the rest of the night. Happy December 1st. I am indeed wearing my Christmas sweater because, as you guys can probably tell, today we're gonna put the Christmas tree up and we're gonna decorate my house. I'm super excited. But before we dive into everything, I feel like I need a coffee. If you've seen my Black Friday haul, you know that I got a coffee advent calendar, so what a better way to start off the day. I'm actually still yet to open this. Whoa, guys, how cool. Yum. And of course I also got my regular chocolate advent calendar. We got a cute little bell. Cheers. Oh my god, this chocolate is actually very good. I got the Caramelito, which I'm very excited about. I also had a quick Google, and it's apparently a coffee milky caramel type of drink, so excited to try this out. I need to put my machine on the 3rd setting, so I think this ginseng cup should be good. Are we ready? straight out the bat is very similar to my ginseng. Okay. Oh my god, this is so good. Am I gonna buy a full pack of these? For sure. I'm gonna thoroughly enjoy every sip of these and then it's tea time. Okay, let's put this baby together.
With my pros and my cons, my mistakes and my...
Very neat indeed. Here's the little legs.
And a work in progress.
Yeah. Also, is there anything you'd like to say?
I'm indecisive, I don't know why.
Here it is. It's very hard to show you guys its entirety. I thought I was onto something when I put the garland over here, but I don't know, does it look weird? I think my Christmas lights should be here somewhere. Okay, let's put this on. Not too bad. My Christmas tree is officially up. I think it looks so good. You can definitely not tell that I got it for only £19 at Ikea. Such a bargain. I've added all the lights and also these cute red beads that I've been adding every single year to our Christmas tree. I'm still yet to add the baubles, but I think I'm gonna wait for my boyfriends who come home and we can do that together. I got this vintage parcel to drop off, and if you haven't done so already, definitely go ahead and follow me on Vinted. I'm very active on there, and I low-key do next day deliveries, so snaps for me. I'm gonna go take care of that, and while I'm out, I'm also gonna check if my favorite corner shop has a garland that I can buy. Let's go.
'Cause I know that two things can't be true. 'Cause I go from Bossa to
My parcel has been dropped. I wasn't too successful when it came to the Christmas wreath. Found a few, but I'm not 100% sold on them, so I think I'm gonna hold on for a minute and see if I can find one that I like. I did, however, go back home to these H&M parcels, so let's open it together. Again, if you've seen my Black Friday haul, you know that I got 2 different yoga sets, and I'm gonna see which one I like better and then return the other one. I thought this was a cute burgundy, but it definitely shows up as purple in real life. And talking about purple, I also got these cute lilac one, and I indeed get the matching tops. Let's try them on, shall we? Here's the first one. I'm honestly very confused. I don't know what to think. The leggings have pockets, which I really like, but I don't know if I'm sold on the color. Here's the second one on. I think I like this one so much better. The leggings have no pockets, which I do think is weird because I thought I ordered the same ones, but apparently not. I would love pockets, but I really like the seamless design. I also removed the little boob insert and I like this top so much better. I think it fits way nicely without it. I think we have the winner. How cool is the back? And guess what? Today is Monday, so I am gonna go to yoga and this is gonna be perfect.
away the way I've done before. You know I've always tried to get myself out